All right, so we'll begin with the feet shoulder width apart or hip width apart, whatever's comfortable for you, and then get as tall as you can through the spine, through the crown of the head, and then soften slightly so that you feel alert but relaxed. Soften the knees slightly, soften the waist, soften the shoulders and the neck. And then shift all your weight over to one side, coming on the ball of the foot, and then rotate your ankle in a circle. We'll do 5 circles one way, and then 5 the other. So reverse direction. So these are very simple, but very effective. So the ankles are really important for balance. All right, switch sides. So the ankles are like our first line of defense for balance. We want to make sure they're nice and flexible, able to adjust and adapt. All right, and then reverse direction. All right, you can do 5 to 10. You can even do more on your own. But today we'll just do 5 to 10 each way. All right, and then spread your feet a little bit wider apart. And next we'll do the knees. So for the knees, we do the mini squat. I'll show you from the side, because the key to the mini squat is to hinge from the hips, sending your hips back, and your chest comes forward. All right, so send the hips back. The hands can come up if you like. All right, you don't want your knees to come forward though. All right, instead, send your hips back like you're sitting in a chair. All right, you don't have to go very low. Nice and easy, just coming down. One more time, the mini squat. Very nice. All right, next we'll do the hips. So place your hands on your hips and then rotate the pelvis in a circle. All right, so circling around, just making small circles at first. And then if it feels okay, you can make them bigger. But we're not trying to set any records today, just loosening up the joints. And then reverse direction. So this one's good to do if you're short on time and you want to get the whole lower body and the lower back. This is good for that, the hip circles. All right, next we'll do the spine. So bring the arms out in front, making 2 loose fists. The forearms come towards each other, then round the back. Then reverse direction, the arms go out to the sides as you open the shoulders and chest. Breathing out as you round the back. Breathing in as you open. Or take as many breaths as you need. We call this spinal cord breathing. It's a Qigong movement. And so Qigong means energy exercise. It's basically what Tai Chi came from. It's like the simpler version of Tai Chi. One more time, open like a good morning stretch. And then let the arms float down by the sides. And then slide one hand right down the thigh, doing a side bend, but just going a little at first. And then other side. You can always do more the next time. But once you've gone too far, you can't really take it back. So just go easy. One more time. All right, next we'll do rotation. So begin to turn from the waist, the torso, the shoulders, and then coming back to center, turning the other way. All right, once again, you don't have to turn very far. Especially with stretching, less is more. All right, one more time. Spinal rotation. All right, next we'll do the shoulders. So lift the shoulders up towards the ears and then let them fall back and down. So big circular motions with the shoulders, releasing tension from the neck, the upper back, and the shoulders. So if you're short on time, this one's great for the upper body. So we have hip circles for the lower body and then shoulder circles for the upper body. All right, one more time. All right, next we'll do the elbows. So hold the arms out to the side, palms facing up. The hands float up and over and then down the midline of the body and then back out to the sides. So very similar to sinking the chi. Loosening up the elbows. Breathing. And you don't have to synchronize the breath for these, just make sure you're breathing. One more time. And then let the arms float down by the sides. You can shake them out a little bit if they're tense. And then when you're ready, you can hold the arms out in front, rotating the hands, the wrists, and the fingers. Just think about all that your hands do for you. And then how much do you stretch them? Probably not a whole lot, right? And then reverse direction, giving our hands, our wrists, and fingers some love. Increasing the blood flow and circulation and energy. All right, one more time. And then let the arms float down. Next, we'll do the neck. So very gently begin to turn your head towards one side and then towards the other. So once again, don't have to turn very far. One more time. And then we'll go up and down. But if you have vertigo, you can skip this one or make sure you're holding on to something at least. Or just do very small motions. But if it feels okay, you can just begin to gently look up and down, loosening up the neck. All right, one more time. All right, and now for my favorite exercise of all time, the chin tuck. All right, I'll show you from the side, because the key to the chin tuck is to keep your eyes on the horizon and then draw your chin in towards your neck. And then release. So gently draw in and then soften. All right, it's almost like you're talking to someone and they're really close and they have bad breath and you're just trying to back away. All right, one more time, the chin tuck. Very nice. All right, so now that we've realigned the spine and loosened up all the joints, we'll do our Tai Chi Flow. So with this sequence, you don't have to get it perfect. Just follow along the best you can. I'll be your mirror image, and you can have a seat at any time. All right, we'll begin with the feet together or as close as you can. The hands can come to the lower abdomen, and then just taking a few deep breaths in and out. As you breathe in, the belly expands, and as you breathe out, the belly returns toward the spine, abdominal breathing. Just feeling into the body, coming into the present moment. Just letting go of all the worries from the day. And then on the next inhale, you can hold the breath at the top just for a moment, and then let it out with a big sigh, just letting out tension and stress. The hands can float down by the sides. And as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as if you're gathering in energy, bring it into the heart, and then send it down through the body towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, gather. Breathing out, directing down. Feeling into the body, feeling all the sensations that you can. One more time, sink the chi. And then step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front, just to about shoulder height. The arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, floating down. And once again, take as many breaths as you need as we open the door, stepping out onto the path of mindfulness and compassion, especially self-compassion. One more time, open the door. This time the arms float out to the sides, like you're spreading your wings. Then the arms float down, the fingertips point up. They float all the way up and over, and then spiral out and away. Silk reeling, upward spirals. Breathing in as you rise up. Breathing out, floating down. Opening the shoulders, opening the chest. Creating space in the spine. One more time, upward spirals. And then reverse direction. The arms float all the way up and over, the fingertips point down. Come down the center line and then spiral out and away. The downward spirals. Breathing in, breathing out. Spiraling the energy throughout the body. One more time, silk reeling, downward spirals. And then circle the arms all the way in front and hug the tree open wide. The hands float down, the palms face up. The hands right by the lower abdomen. And then this hand floats up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in, the hand floats up. Breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. And then both arms float all the way up and over just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften. And circle the hands in front as if you had a big ball in front of the body, gathering the energy, bring it right into the heart. and then down. One more time, open the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands right in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. Then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so gently, like bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations in the body, feeling the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile, expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And then if your eyes were closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow. Thank you so much for watching. If you like that, this class is part of our monthly calendar program, so please click the first link in the video description below to get your free monthly clickable calendar, and I'll see you over there.